There's different ones. There's the basket.
Oh, did you turn on the air purifier? Hey, we're doing unboxing.
Is this for the bassinet too?
That's for the mini crib.
This is for the mini crib, right?
No, that's
You have a mini crib?
That's the bassinet.
Bassinet?
Yeah.
There's 2 of them?
There's 8
There's
different
8
types.
configurations.
Wow.
You don't have to build a 9 because, you know, obviously it's bigger. Build it.
Wow.
It has
8
wheels.
Yeah, you can bring it to my bedroom.
Yes, so.
That's the mini crib. What are you gonna do? Just take out all the parts and then...
Yeah, read it first.
Yeah, look. I'll take it all out.
Oh.
I'll use this.
This is not on.
It is on. My time lapse is here. You're gonna be in it.
Oh. This then. Building. How do I do this? Oh, look at this pregnant lady. No, I'm filming only, right?
You sure? What don't these parts though?
Look for that one.
Yeah, these 2, right?
Yeah, look for those 2. Look for those 2.
More light required.
Already in front of you.
Oh, these 2.
Nako. More light required. No, that's what it says on my phone.
What? No.
Yeah.
More light required.
Yeah.
It's bright enough with that. What?
No, it's not. Look at this. When you put this, it changes. Okay, fine.
Oh, Lovey, see? This is this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's these 2.
Wow.
And then this.
So, let's do this, it says.
Yeah.
I don't understand this. It's not even English.
She left this outside.
Oh, choose the stage you want to assemble. Oh, you can change different things. Are you gonna do bassinet or crib? Let's do crib.
No, we're doing
what I said, let's do
bassinet. Why would you want to skip it? What's the point of us paying for that? We could have just got the...
Because it has 8, that's why we didn't pay this for the.
Okay, so let's start from the bassinet. And then we'll change to midi crib. And then the crib. The crib is big, huh?
Yeah, it's a big crib.
It's cute. I like the color. What color is that?
It's pretty.
It's pink?
No. Look at stuff underneath.
Wow. You real wood.
So, we need those 2 pieces.
Wow, this girl is very spoiled, huh?
Where's the rest of this sheet?
Can I sit down here?
Look, there's more to this booklet.
Wow.
Is that underneath?
You can mattress?
Board for it.
Look, this.
And
Oh.
the right post on the left.
Build the whole thing, like 4, 5, or 8 of them. And then just take out one piece when you need to change it. Also, you keep on building it.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, because that's mini.
Right. And then we need... Can you start my video and stop it?
Stop recording.
What is 3 videos?
Okay, we need 4 S's. This. Look for E1. It looks like this.
Yeah, let's listen to.
That's what happened.
When I listen to Elena now.
That's what happened if you guys are husband and wife. You make mistake together.
Why are you giving us a life lesson speech?
It's good.
It's pretty easy.
Easy to install?
Yeah.
Oh. Why there's only 2 sides?
So, like, that's the mattress of that?
Okay, so they're building the... What do you call this again? Bassinet. So this crib, you can do
8.
8? 8 different legs of configuration as she gets older. So bassinet start, and then mini crib, and then a crib.
You might get a lot of views.
Okay, why did you say 8? What else?
You can also make it a day bed.
Oh. You can make it a day bed? Like a single bed? Oh wow, that's so cool.
And then there's different ways you can put it with or without the wheels.
Oh, so okay.
We also need.
Okay, are you gonna use with the wheels right now?
Yeah.
You have to use with the wheel so I can put it in my
That's why
bedroom.
you want bassinets. You can fit through the dirt.
It does?
Well, if you do the crib, you can put it through that.
Ah, yeah, true.
You still could use them.
So what you gonna do if we have a crib?
This one and you tighten these.
Every time you move it, you're gonna have to keep on. You're a builder. Can't believe you know how to do that. Okay, so fix that side. One more side. What else do you need? This one? I'm just filming. You turned it off. Well, they went there after here. Wow, look at this too. They're building a bassinet.
This, look, her name.
So cute. What? So cute.
Like this. There we go.
Roll it. Feel the drift on it.
Aww.
Hold on. I'm trying to figure out how I can display this nicely so her name shows.
Where'd you get this thing?
Where's that?
Mmm.
There we go.
The little one. Oh my god, it's so
If
cute.
you're gonna post the video, don't put it
Not yet.
Oh, they don't know the name yet? Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh. Put the jelly cat.
Nice. This is a tiny bassinet for Emily. Hello, this guy. Oh my god, so cute. light has been changed. Look at the light right there. And that's a curtain. And then this one, she has the, ay nako. This is what happened when your son-in-law is trying hard.
Do you want to?
Oh my god.
He's trying hard and putting some holes on the wall. Look at this guy. He has a big arm. Look at his arm. Allah! Ay, nako.
Okay, let's see. Oh, fuck.
We did it's upside down.
No, but I don't think it even reaches.
Even worse.
Bullshit.
Stressful, Hamant. Look. He doesn't even know.
He can do it. Okay, he did the first two.
It's not gonna work. Shit.
He's shaking.
You fucked up.
Yeah.
You fucked up. You trusted me with this.
Ay, nako. It's your daughter. It's not mine. That's enough.
Why is it not in?
Ay, nako. Emily, you ready to pop out?
Anyways,
Okay na yan.
is this in? It's not supposed to go upside down, I think.
Yeah, I can. That looks good.
Oh, that's better.
It's not in.
But it's not in.
How am I supposed to put my jelly cats? Figure it out.
Look at this. There's a light. Put.
What do you mean this is supposed to go in? It shouldn't matter if it's upside down or not.
He's shaking.
What's it?
He's nervous.
I'm not nervous. How's this?
Yes, you are.
How's this? Look.
Why does that look crooked?
Ay, naku, Haman.
It's perfect.
No, stop.
Ask your viewers.
Oh my God. Look at...
Yes, perfect. Like this?
Ayan, ayan, ayan. Like that.
Good.
Oh, I gotta move the hole in.
Huh?
It's doing that thing and it pushes down.
Try both sides? You do both sides?
Oh.
It's fine.
That's okay. That's
Leave
good.
it, leave
That's
it,
good.
Leave it, yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah, looks
Yeah,
good on
that's
Mom's
better.
video. Yeah, looks good.
Mm.
Yay, I can decorate it.
Mom Cozy bottle washer. Okay, what is inside?
A dishwasher for babies. Ta-da.
That's electric.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, look at this kid.
So sexy.
Spoiled.
Wow. Jesus.
Bottle washer. Back then, 27 years ago, I don't have one like this. This is so spoiled little girl. What is this for? Oh, there's a tablet.
Dish soap. You have to buy dish soap.
Oh, that's not my problem. This is detergent tablets used for bottle washer. You have to remove milk film and cold odor. Hypoallergenic. Baby, ano yun? I can't see. So it has to be here and it has to connect here.
I'm gonna put it on top of this thing.
Where?
This thing.
And then
And then
you put on top of this. On top of this.
everything over so it's like closer.
Has to be closer. mess.
All these lunch bins should stay in the office. Should I put distilled water?
Yeah, read the instruction. It's very important.
So the camera.
Manual. There's a manual here. What to do? I can't read this. I don't have my glasses. You have to do it.
Hello.
I can't. You will? What is this for? Did you?
Oh.
Wow.
Doesn't seem like rocket science.
It has to go closer here to the sink. Yeah, it looks better. Like that. And don't make a mess on the sink. Okay, what's your unboxing this time?
You tell me, what's this say?
I don't know.
Read it.
Oh, 3-in-1 bouncer. Don't put it in there. You're gonna get the couch dirty.
Oh, true. Someone can say that in the comments.
Oh my goodness, Ahmad. What's in there? 3-in bouncer? Oh, Janlei bought it. That's so cute.
Yeah, it's body put together.
Why that's a big box? Then that's the only thing
Comes
in there.
platinum.
Where?
Platinum.
Wow.
Real steel. Made by BMW Mercedes.
You're so saucy. It's so cute.
Wow. Whoa, I just cracked it.
You broke it already?
Put the newborn insert.
What is that? Newborn insert?
Yeah, the baby fell. Scary.
Oh my god, why you drop your baby?
Wow, this is so nice. Look at this color.
So cute.
Beige or cream
So
or
cute. So you
ivory.
put her in there
And then it's just...
so that she's elevated and it can mount.
Oh my gosh!
Where should you just secure that part?
It has to be secure.
Oh yeah, look at the sides. So we got...
You have to lock it or something.
Fuck.
Oh.
What's this?
Can you check the instruction at least? Oh my goodness.
This part has to go through here. What do you do?
Okay.
Okay.
This is the book.
Oh my god, why you want me to do this? I'm the one's filming.
Believe in you.
I know. Evolve. No, I can't. I don't understand this, Amant. It's Chinese.
Wow.
It's Chinese.
I'm pretty sure the stays are like this. Let's see. So it doesn't move.
There's no English version.
Ergo baby.
You get a complete stuff now.
It's such a pretty color.
Yeah.
Seems really expensive.
Very nice.
An
Really?
expensive color.
Is it expensive?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Well, he could have gotten it for cheaper if he got it earlier.
How much?
It goes with the blanket.
She doesn't want to tell.
Think we have the inside of this?
Mm-hmm.
Goes with this.
Oh, yes. Beige as well.
Wow.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.